little pig on the village street. Pig said, "Oink, let's jump and play. We'll dance and laugh the whole bright day." Baba smiled, "That sounds so fun. We'll play till evening under the sun." They rolled in